So another thing that I have done before, but I really liked how this one turned out because I had some new papers to use, is this really pretty Garland. And I used, it was the first generation IOD cigar box paper. And they're 6x6 sheets and they're nice cardstock, and they just had such pretty colors and it reminded me of spring. So I really wanted to use them up. All I did was use 2 different punches that I had and 2 different circles, and just started just cutting lots of circles with different colors, and I mixed and matched them all. And I just put them through my sewing machine, and I just mixed and matched and did different ones and just kind of overlapped them so they wouldn't flip and turn. So it just comes out adorable. And these ones are a little smaller. You actually could go even 6x6 and do a really big one and maybe put letters on it if you want to have it say a word, or maybe book pages or other fun things on it. And this one was kind of cute because I added it onto fabric. So come up with your own ideas. But this was just such fun paper. I just had to show you again. Thanks.